our alumni is thought of the month. थॉट ऑफ द मंथ के लिए मैं जिस शख्सियत को बुलाना चाहता हूँ वो अपने आप में एक सीएलसी के स्टालवर्ट है। मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन उनके बारे में ये है कि चाहे वो सीएलसी में काम ले कम, लेकिन उनकी परफॉर्मेंस में हमेशा होता है दम। चाहे वो सीएलसी में काम ले कम, लेकिन उनकी परफॉर्मेंस में हमेशा होता है दम। चाहे वो कह दें कि करूंगा मैं आज बहुत काम कम, लेकिन जब मैं काम करूंगा तो करूंगा 100% या नहीं करूंगा। सो फ्रेंड्स, उनके लिए एक छोटा सा शेयर अर्ज करके मैं उनको बुलाना चाह रहा हूं। मैं ये शेयर वैसे तो सारे सीएलसी के लोगों के लिए करूंगा, लेकिन स्पेशली आज एक क्रिश एंगर के लिए मैं शेयर करना चाह रहा हूं। इन दिल जलों की गर्मी को क्या पाए आफताब, अगर पाए आफताब तो जल जाए आफताब। दोस्तों, ऐसे एक सीएलसी के दिल जलों को बुलाने में मैं आप लोगों की थंडर अप्लॉज में बुलाना चाहता हूं थॉट ऑफ द मंथ प्रेजेंट करने के लिए none other than कोच क्रिश एंगर।
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the new team which has taken over from today for the full year. I wish them all the very best from the core of my heart and on behalf of the entire people who are present in this auditorium. With a thunderous applause. Second one is Happy Valentine's Day. Before we start about the serious business, जैसे वैलेंटाइन के बारे में जो है, दिस इज अ वेल सेलिब्रेटेड इवेंट इन इंडिया। तो मेरा दोस्त जिसकी बीवी का थोड़ा सा है नेक पेन, वो 3 दिन वो मिला नहीं था। उसके बाद आज मैं मिला उसको। मैंने पूछा उससे, भैया हाउ इज योर नेक पेन? ही सेड शी इज परफेक्टली फाइन। सो आई थिंक वी विल स्टार्ट विद द राइटर नोट। दोस्तों, thought of the month in CLC alumni plays a very important event, I consider, because every time it makes us think. यहाँ से जब निकलेंगे बाहर तो thought of the month में ऐसे कुछ होनी चाहिए कि कुछ सोचने का मजबूर करें, या कोई कहानी या कुछ भी बताएं। End of the day, it must make us think, and I firmly believe thought of the month I would like to give something original from my point of view, and I'm sure you will all like it. मैं इसलिए थॉट ऑफ मंथ को अहमियत दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि जो थॉट है that is the origin of our words, and words becomes our action, and our actions become our habit, and our habit becomes our character, and our character and character alone brings a reputation. Everybody, if at all they have a reputation, they have to have a character. And if you see the link, the end is a character, the beginning is a thought. So I firmly believe in thought of the month. I think we have to leave a lingering effect on every individual so that they have character. जब हम character की बात करें तो बहुत सारे हमें examples मिलेंगे। मैं वो mythical एक epic से I am looking at the character Lord Krishna, because my name is also Krish. So I always relate to a great character called Krishna. अगर हम कृष्णा जी को अगर देखा जाए कि the most, the character is very unique. I am always looking at Krishna from various angles, and I like to put my thought process into you. I'm sure you will like it. First is talk about his birth. जो बच्चे का जो जन्म होता है जेल में, इमेजिन करो जेल में जन्म होता है, एंड दैट उन माँ को जो उसके पहले 7 बच्चे को जो मारा गया और 8वां बच्चा जन्म होता है, वो भी कन्फाइनमेंट में रात में, एंड दैट टू अगेंस्ट ऑल द विशेस ऑफ हिज ओन अंकल। ही डजंट वांट द चाइल्ड टू बी बोर्न, बिकॉज़ किसी ज्योतिष ने उसको बता दिया कि 8वां बच्चा उसको मारने वाला है, तो वो ये नहीं चाहता कि वाटवा बच्चा जन्म हो कि अनवांटेड चाइल्ड। आज फीमेल चाइल्ड की बात करें, उस सदियों में भी Lord Krishna was, when he was born, he was not likely to be born, and that is the condition in which a child is born. चलो, the child is born. उसके बाद क्या होता है? Immediately, it is taken away from the biological mother, away from it. बच्चे का सबसे बड़ा अगर दुख होता है कि बायोलॉजिकल मदर से उसको कहीं और ले जाना, वो भी इनके साथ हुआ है. The child which was just born, newborn, was taken away from the biological mother, mid of the midnight, was taken away from a different location. Migrated, given to a new person, and he gets into a new atmosphere immediately. And if you ever see one more thing, that the brother and sister, Kans and the sister are very close, so close. And just because the Jyotish ने बता दिया, उनके बीच में इतनी नफरत इतना हो गया कि he was just don't like anything, the child to be killed. So his own uncle was about to kill. So with this kind of an atmosphere, a child is born, number one, taken away from the biological mother. Third, if you see, he is not born as an elder son. Like Ram ने ऐसे जन्म लिया, he was born as a king's famous father, famous mother, and a kingdom, and he was celebrated as the elder son, a joint family, and the brothers all will abide by him. So everything was hunky-dory. But here is a child which is born, not a so famous father. Vasudev or Devaki, not so famous. They don't have a legacy in terms of like Ram had. So he was born into a very, very, I would say, not well spoken or well thought of parents. And Kishan is black, but beautiful. He was not very fair. Radha गोरी थी, लेकिन Kishan तो काला था. So it was again black. Black, it doesn't mean anything. He doesn't have the grace like everybody want to be, look very fair and think fair and lovely and etc. etc. But here is a person. He lived, all throughout the way he is black, but he was very beautiful. Then he was able to adapt himself to any situation. Kishan को अगर हम थोड़ा नजदीक में देखें, he was able to adapt himself to every situation. Absolutely, he was part of the system. And next, he is always living at present. अगर किशन को अगर देखा जाए, he always lived present. जहाँ है वहीं है. He never had thought about past or future. He was living present. And second thing is, in every stage of life he enjoyed. Every stage and age appropriate activities. जब वो बच्चा था, तो he was चोरी कर रहा था मक्खन को, and breaking all the मटके को तोड़ना था, और इधर मतलब he was डटकर था. He was not a very simple, straightforward student, you can just say. He was very, very naughty at a young age, and when he grows up, at the end, if you see, he became such a big preacher, gave Bhagavad Gita, such a great philosophy to humankind. So from this to that, every stage, he was himself manifesting into age-appropriate activity. And he was very powerful. Very powerful. What do you mean by powerful? I'll give 3 examples. Number 1, when there was a calamity, अपनी इतनी सी उंगली से इतना बड़ा पर्वत को उठा के वो सारा संसार को बचाया. That is just to indicate इतनी सी मेरी इतनी पावर ताकत है. At the same time, he was down to earth. Such a powerful man became a driver of Mr. Arjun and driving without any problem. No ego, nothing, no hassles. Absolutely. And second, there was a snake which was having 7 heads and very powerful, called Kalinga. And again, he controlled that and sat on it and danced on it when he was very young. So these are the indications of a prowess, a powerful of a person and a personality which was manifesting in the later part of life. And he was also an animal lover. Can you imagine Kishan without the cow and the calf? He was always very fond of them. He was basically a cowboy, you can say that. He was always roaming around and taking care of the cows without any hassles. Then, he was also a music lover. He's having Basuri and he's on his own world. And whenever he dances, you can imagine all the movies were dancing, and it was a jolly good time, and he was a musty guy. Enjoyed his life with all the sort of girls without any kind of become anybody's. सब लोग ने सोचा कृष्णा अपना है, लेकिन he was kept himself little away from everybody and enjoyed the life. And he was a small town boy, a friendly neighborhood, easily approachable. He was not such a guy who cannot be approached, or he's, such a king or something like that. Nobody can be approached. Down here, very simple, easy to adoptable approach. And important aspect is, आज भी मैं देखता हूँ रिलेशनशिप का एक परिभाषा है. किसी भी रिलेशनशिप का अगर देखे मैं आपको गिना दूंगा कि मुझे ऐसे कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं है किशन के अलावा किसी और बेहतर हो सकता है. Let's start with mother and son. यशोदा मैया, तो आपने देखा किसी और के बारे में यशोदा मैया और किशन का जो रिश्ता है, इसमें इससे बढ़िया कोई रिश्ता कहीं हो सकता है क्या? जबकि वो फोस्टर मदर थी, it was not a biological mother. So here is a person with a son-mother relationship was fantastic. Brother Balram and Kishan, they were two sides of the coin, and together they did lot of wonders. They did lot of things, miracles, killing lot of all the mighty people, and they had a jolly good time, and without any controversy, without any competition. They were not competing, they were complementing with each other, and they had a great time. He was a village boy. In the sense, all the entire villages, वो चोरी करता था, मटका छोड़ता था, फिर भी सबके प्यारा था. Everybody would like to call him in his house, खिलाओ, पिलाओ. He was the most, the entire villages का जो relationship देखा जाए, he was the most popular person. Girls, सबको तो कुछ कहना ही नहीं है. Example है, किशन का तो and love, Radha and Kishan love is something very different, very unique and very different. It's not something very mundane and routine. It's something, even if you see Radha Krishna is the relationship is something very divine. Bhakti Meera and Krishna, the love is very different. So here is a Bhakti also, there is another one. And he is the best manager. The entire Pandav was depending on Krishna for his managerial skills. And he managed it in such a way. A manager is one who ultimately produces result the way he wants. The results is known to the manager before, and he uses all his resources for winning the match. And that is what he did as a manager. And he's a magician. Magician in the sense he has done, when the floods came, he protected. And when the snake came, he protected. And when he opened the mouth, जब यशोदा ने बोला मुंह खोल, तो मुंह के अंदर सारी entire world, again he could see herself. Such a thing, first live telecast, you can imagine. That was the thing, he was a magician, he was showing all the magic. And he was a very humble, obedient driver. When the Mahabharata war took place, he was being the chariot, and he was again such a good driver that he was managing, ensuring that the person behind always is in comfort zone. Because आपने भी सोचा होगा, there was no taxi driver. He himself was driving the entire thing to victory. It's the best teacher. भगवत गीता के अलावा आज भी 5000 साल के बाद भी दूसरा कोई एपिक नहीं है, दूसरा कोई चीज नहीं है. कहीं भी आज भी भगवत गीता को खोल के किसी पन्ने से देखेंगे, आज का जो आपका जो सिचुएशन का एक सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा. बिकॉज इतनी सिचुएशन जो आज हो रहा है, सब ने 5000 साल के पहले सोच के ऐसी छोटी छोटी तरकीबें आपको बताया गया, ताकि अगर उसको आप अडॉप्ट करें तो हो सकता है ऐसा लगता है कि आपके लिए लिखा हो. स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट, तो ऐसे स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट है, तो बोलता क्या है, सोचता क्या है, करने क्या वाला किसी को नहीं पता. सच अ फैंटास्टिक डिप्लोमैट, क्योंकि पांडव के साथ था, लेकिन किसी ने उसको उंगली नहीं उठा सका. ही वाज बायस्ड टुवर्ड्स पांडव. एवरीबडी थॉट इज न्यूट्रल. वो कह रहा है मैं तो न्यूट्रल हूं, बोलो क्या चाहिए. एंड ही ऑलवेज ऑफर्ड फर्स्ट थिंग टू कौरव्स, सो दैट एट लीस्ट दे शुड नॉट टुमारो मिस्टेक हिम. एंड वो जो भी करें, जो भी मांगे, हाँ कहा, लेकिन वो हाँ से उनका नुकसान ही हुआ, फायदा नहीं हुआ. तो इसलिए क्या है, वो स्ट्रैटेजी वो होता है, सामने वाले को मौका देता है, अल्टीमेटली धोखा देता है. दैट इज व्हाट इज कृष्ण स्ट्रैटेजी इज ऑल अबाउट. एंड ही इज अ हीरो. Always, any day, any time, he is a hero, and he has left an identity. आगे आज मैं कहूँ एक गाय और पिछड़े और एक बांसुरी या मयूर का पंख अगर देखें, कौन याद नहीं करेगा कृष्ण का एक पहचान है, कहीं भी मिल जाए, that is actually a पहचान. So with such a lot of, a character बोले तो such a lot of identity, such a lot of, he has got his own specialities. So this is what is all about Krishna. So I always, whenever I look at Krishna from various angles, I always look for new things from him. And very simple to look. उसको अगर देखें तो he looks very simple, but he is never very simple. He has been the most strategist and he is the most shrewdest person, and all his moves are far-fetched. परसों की सोच के आज का एक्शन लेता है. And words versus communication. दोस्तों, words ही होता है, लेकिन उस words को हम कैसे communicate करते हैं, उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. So if you can ever listen to, ever go through Mahabharata, you will really find वो हर शब्द वही है शब्द का, लेकिन उसका मीनिंग, उसका कम्युनिकेट क्या करना चाहता है, which is very different. और अल्टीमेटली मैं कहूँगा, there is no legacy. कृष्णा का बेटा कौन है, उसका पोता कौन है? He is like probably our prime minister. He is not a family bond thing activity. Kishan lived his life, neither he carried any legacy when he was born, and not left any legacy behind. When he is out of the picture, he just left without anything. So no past, no future, and lived the way daily, absolutely, and not emotionally attached. If you see Krishna's character, he is never emotionally attached to anybody. He just detachedly attached. Wherever he was, whatever he did, there is some attachment in it, but it was not having attachment. I would say there is, अगर कोई बात नहीं है किसी ideal में, लेकिन मेरे लिए एक idol है. He has been Indian idol कह सकते हैं for universal. And now that I want to summarize by saying one thing. Character is with you. Character is what you are. And reputation is what others think you are. Let me clarify once again. A character is what you are, that you know better. A reputation is always what other people think you are. And other character is a cause. A reputation is the effect. And always we can only control the cause and not the effect. But there is a very, very intrinsic relationship between the two. The cause, each cause has an effect. अगर character है, character होने से ही reputation बनता है. अगर यदि reputation बना without character, like lot of our gurus work in Tihar jail and other cases, they may have reputation but without character. But the time when their character is not there, the reputation just goes off. Imagine all the reputed spiritual gurus who don't have a character. What happens the day when they are exposed? The entire reputation goes to zero, practically. And I think we should try to be proud of what we are. God creates all of us unique. All of us are unique characters. So we should not try to copy anybody. We should try to identify ourselves. We should identify our strengths and what character we want to be. That we should start. And character is built by brick. We have to do a lot of things and ensure this. That is why the famous saying, if wealth is lost, something is lost. And health is lost, if something substantial is lost. Whereas if character is lost, everything is lost. So I would say character plays a very important role, and character and reputation has a very beautiful linkages. I think as CLC has a character, every individual has a character, and we have to ensure that we have to build a reputation, and before we get the reputation, the character should be there as a foundation, as a building block to ensure our character, our reputation is undisputable. Thank you very much.
Krish, thank you so much for this wonderful thought of the month. Can we once again celebrate for this wonderful?